First we do this multiplication. 15 over 4 times 4. We can easily cancel this 4 and this 4. So here we have just 15. So 15 divided by 15 gives us 1. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, multiplication and division have equal priority, and we have to work from left to right. So here, first we have to do this division, then this multiplication. If we do this multiplication before this division, it is wrong. So first we have to do this division. 15 divided by 15 over 4. According to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. We can write keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. Then times 4. No, first we do this multiplication. 15 times 4 over 15. We can easily cancel this 15 and this 15. So here we have just 4. And the 4 times 4 is just 16. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 16.